how to create consistent cash flow in any business. Breaking the feast-famine cycle in your business is what will help you reach stability and longevity. As a business owner, the cycle of getting a wave of clients and then none for another period is what makes this stressful and unprofitable. Most traditional forms of marketing feed this. You invest, clients come in, you cover costs, make some sales, a bit of profit, and then it all stops until you put away enough money to feed another flurry of adverts. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. But online marketing done well can help you break this feast to famine cycle once and for all. It's not magic or a gimmick. It's a tool that, when used effectively and carefully, yields consistent results. In order to create consistent cash flow, you need to create consistent marketing effort. The secret, however, is to start where you are now and spend just what you can afford on getting to the next step that yields the fastest cash flow results. At FairTech, we have created the Constant Cash Flow Confidence Blueprint. It's based on the main pillars of online marketing and helps you navigate your way to the next monetizing stepping stone. It has been proven with hundreds of clients over 20 years and consists of 12 pillars which have successfully used to navigate hundreds of successful online marketing projects across multiple industries. Here are some examples of those pillars: email, online ads, organic social media, content, sales page, lead funnels, inquiry forms, and more. Each step is broken down in a way that helps you navigate which is the next best step to inject consistent cash flow in your business. We understand where you are and what is the next best step for your business. It's not one size fits all. Marketing never is. By looking at each of the 12 pillars, you can start working on what truly matters for your business. Creating consistent cash flow in your business using this method easier because it looks low risk. It doesn't at any point require you to spend more than you can afford. You invest forward at your own pace in those strategies that will give you the fastest way to cash. It's like slowly setting the wheels on your cash flow machine into motion. At first, they will move slowly, but once the cash flow starts flowing in and you reinvest some of it, the wheel starts moving faster and faster until it settles into a consistent motion. You slowly push a step forward in every pillar until you reach a place where it only requires upkeep. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at cash flow ideas why your business should create a training course. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.